Hello, single moms. How are you? Hopefully, if you're listening to this, you are feeling hopeful. Hopeful that you may soon be on your way to improving your life and your children's lives. Literally, seriously able to provide a future for them, better education for them, a good life for them, so much less stress because you will be better. You will be improved. You will be stronger. You will be empowered. You will have the education and learn the skills that you need to earn a very good income to provide for your family. Okay? And that in itself will definitely help maybe to decrease depression and decrease stress. Okay? Which will in turn help you to be a better mother. You will be happier and you will be able to cope with being a single mother much better. And even if it was just 20% better, 30% better, 50% better, let me share this with you. When you're in pain, whether it's mental pain, physical pain, I don't care. Okay, stress, depression, I don't care what it is. If you find a solution that makes as little as even 10% reducing that pain, if it's physical pain, you are happy, you are thankful, you are grateful. 10% less pain if it's physical. You talking about relief, you are relieved and you're happy just for that 10% improvement, right? Seriously. Okay, does that make sense? So you have the option, okay, to choose for your life what my program, TTLA Ministry for single mothers, can do for you to help you to create a brand new, fabulous, much better life, starting within the next few minutes, okay? All we need is your commitment, your real, true desire, your decision to say, yes, I want this. Yes, I can do this. Yes, I'm going to do this. Yes, I am committed for free to spend whatever time I need to when I have free time between my children napping or in school or sleeping at night to get my life on track fast so that I can be a better mother and provide my children the best that I possibly can, including emotionally, okay? Because you may know or you may not know that the kind of mother you are today will absolutely impact your children as adults. And by then, there will be nothing you can do to make up for it, nothing you can do to change the past. So trust me, if you can create a better today for yourself mentally, okay, mentally, mindset, okay, feeling better, loving yourself, learning skills to cope, coping skills with raising your children and also taking care of yourself. One day, hopefully you will look back and say, thank God that you had this opportunity to learn how to be a better mother, but you didn't only just have this opportunity, you had the education to back it up. You had the training. You had the support of so many people who are working towards the same goals you are. And you might hopefully thank God for this opportunity. Again, I say it's totally free to start, to join. And you can benefit tremendously by the knowledge and the education that you will get for free. Okay? However, there will be a separate program that teaches you career skills that can create a fabulous income for you very quickly. Okay, not talking about going to school for 4 years or 8 years or even an 18-month vocational training program. Okay, no, not even 6 months, not even a year. I'm talking you could start to begin to earn money today. Yes, you can, because of technology. Technology makes anything possible, and you need the education and the knowledge to even just know that you can. And you need the mindset to understand that you have to be open-minded, to listen to something new, the Bible says, to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And that my people are destroyed due to a lack of knowledge. This, I can promise you, for being a free program, will be the best thing you will ever receive in your entire life for free. Starting out for free. So even if you don't think you can afford the $30 measly later on in the program to empower you and to bless you with a dynamite home-based business income, okay, even if you don't think you want any part of that, that's okay. Because I can guarantee you will be blown away by what you will learn for free that will impact your life tremendously, okay? So I am so looking forward to sharing with you and helping you to make your life better. God bless.